Top 13 Best Small Business Ideas in Africa for 2020. If you are trying to find a small business idea that's right for you, ask yourself the following questions. What are your interests? Where is there a need in the market, and how can your skills satisfy that need? Who is your ideal client? What is your ideal work environment? If you have an answer to all those questions, then you may be ready to start a small business. If you need a little inspiration, take a look at this list of 13 best small business ideas for 2020. These 13 small business ideas suit soon-to-be entrepreneurs in a range of industries and with a variety of interests. So if you're qualified to start a small business in any of the following fields, you just might find new serious success by striking out on your own. Number 1.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel and thanks for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing and also turn on notification so you don't miss any of our subsequent videos. We always love to produce videos that add value to the Business in Africa community. So if you have any suggested videos that you would love us to produce, drop it in the comment section below so we can do that video just for you.
Accounting and bookkeeping. Are you a licensed CPA or a business accounting software wizard? Your less math-friendly entrepreneurs could use your help in keeping their personal and business finances in order. As a bookkeeper, you process invoice and payroll, compile expense reports, and more. If you have a CPA license, you can help business owners file taxes, generate balance sheet and other accounting documents, and make your professional recommendations about your client's bottom line. If you have the skills to make your own accounting or bookkeeping service happen, then this is one of the best and most lucrative small business idea for you. Number 2, business consulting. If you've been in the business world for a long time, folks might be clamoring for your knowledge and expertise within your industry. Why not turn all that know-how into a new career as an independent consultant? You can get paid to speak at industry conferences or events, serve on the board of advisors for a fledgling business, or lend your expertise to shape the strategy of an existing business on a contract basis. Whatever your field of expertise, starting a consulting business is a great way to make a sizable income while working on your own terms. Number 3. Marketing services. Most business owners have some idea on how they want to market their companies. Executing that plan, on the other hand, can be a whole other ball game, especially for new business owners with little or zero marketing experience. As an independent marketing professional, you can work with small businesses who don't have the in-house bandwidth to execute their marketing plans. Write their blogs, firm up their SEO strategy, generate ad campaigns, deploy inbound marketing tactics, and do whatever it takes to get their name in proverbial light. Number 4, real estate business. If property is your passion, there are several ways you can serve other businesses or even individuals with your real estate business. You could start your own real estate agency working with businesses or private citizens to find the office space, house or apartment that's right for them. Or you could buy property of your own if you have the business funding, of course. Becoming a property manager or landlord, renting out the space to tenants, maintaining the property and serving as their point of contact for any potential issues. People are always going to need a place to live, and likewise, businesses are going to need a place to set up shop. Why not the businesses to help them throughout their real estate journey? Number 5, event planning. More and more individuals and companies are hiring freelance event planners to manage the designs, logistics, and coordination of pulling off major events. If you love every little detail of coordinating your kid's birthday or your dad's retirement party, start offering your type of service to parties in your community or within your personal network. You just need to pull off one great party to start, and your events planning business will take off with all those word-of-mouth recommendations. Number 6, video production. Are you the person who brings your camera everywhere? or the kid who ran around with a video recorder, taping all of your family events and memories? If so, one of the best small business ideas for you might be video production. With the popularity of video on social media platforms and the internet as a whole, there is certainly a demand for those who can shoot video, cut video, or both. Even if you don't have prior video experience like graphic design, there are numerous courses online that can teach you how to cut and edit video using programs like Adobe or Final Cut Pro. With the demand for video, this is another business idea that you can start at a very low cost in your own home. Plus, once your videos are out in the world, you have automatic marketing for your production enterprise. Number 7, podcasting. For those who have something to say or important stories to tell, you might consider starting a podcasting business. With the popularity of podcasts from newspapers and other media providers, private individuals have been able to jump on the trend, turning a hobby into a fully fledged business. Podcasting will require an initial investment in some audio equipment and editing software, but once you get started, you'll be able to grow as fast as you can talk, produce, and of course, market your podcast. Moreover, if you're specifically interested in online business ideas, podcasting can be done from home and completely online. Number 8, IT consulting. Do you have experience with computers and other types of technology? If so, use this knowledge to your advantage and consider starting an IT consulting business. With limited budgets and resources, many small businesses are apt to hire an outside consultant to help assist them with installing, managing, updating, and troubleshooting their technology. As an IT consultant, you'd more than likely be able to offer remote services as well as on-site assistance, giving you freedom and flexibility while working in a field that's in high demand. Number 9, catering. If you're a professional chef but tired of the restaurant grind, starting a catering service is a great opportunity to strike out into the world of self-employment. You need access to a commercial kitchen, a part-time staff of servers, and a couple of assistant cooks to start. But compared to opening your own restaurants, the overhead costs of starting and running a catering company are much more manageable. Number 10, social media management. Social media marketing is a specific marketing specialty that most business owners know they need, but few are capable of doing well. If you're glued to your phone, Instagram all your meals and carry out most of your conversations in 280 characters or fewer, consider cultivating a client base of business owners who need help managing their brand social media platforms. Number 11, business planning services. If you're the serial business owner type and have successfully launched and run a few businesses now, you've probably crafted a couple of business plans in your time. Writing a business plan is a crucial start to any business, but it's a process and not all entrepreneurs have that. One of the best small business ideas for seasoned business owners ready for their next venture is a business planning service. If you know how to see the whole process of writing a business plan through including business funding plans, market analysis, competitor research, and so on, clients will be lining up for your services. Number 12, tax consulting. If you're a CPA or other enrolled agent, you might consider opening up a service specifically for business taxes. Filing and staying on top of a business tax can be one of the most complicated parts of running a business. So if you have experience in all things tax related, business owners will be willing to hire you for your services. Plus, unlike individual taxes, many businesses are going to need a tax advisor to support them year-round, meaning your services will be in demand through tax season and beyond. Number 13, PR agency. Whether you have a background in public relations or simply have an extensive network and knowledge in the business space, a PR agency might be the perfect business idea for you. Just like some of these other B2B examples, some businesses often hire outside PR agencies to assist with their public image and presence, including business marketing events, press releases, outreach, and more. If you have a network of contacts in a specific industry, your services will be even more attractive to business in that industry. Plus, you can easily start your own PR business without too much initial time or investment and can bring on employees or rent office space as it grows.